Good morning, students. Today I'm super excited because we are going to start learning some very important spelling rules today to help us know how to spell words correctly. So first, let's look at our vowels because they are very important to today's lesson. All right. First, let's just say the vowels out loud. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Now, who can remember what this symbol is called? It is called the brev, and that means that the vowel says it's short sound. So let's give the vowels their short sounds. Ready? A, E, I, A. One more time. A, E, I, A. Very good. All right, our spelling rule deals with vowels when they make the short sound. So I want you to keep that thought in the back of your noggins. Okay, today we're specifically going to talk about the sound K. What 3 ways can we make the K sound? What 2 letters make that sound? C and K. There's also a digraph that makes this sound. Do you know what the digraph is? CK. Very good. Okay. Now, today I have thought of a word that has this sound in it. And the word we're going to practice with is the word duck. Do you think you can spell duck? Give it a shot. You might have said D-U-C. You might have said D-U-K. And you might have said D-U-C-K. Well, Miss Higgins, which one is right? I'm so glad you asked me. Let's take a look at them. Let's sound each of these out. D-U-K, duck, D-U-K, duck, D-U-K, duck. They all say duck, right? But really, there's only one that is correct. Which one do you think is correct? Well, let me tell you our rule, and it has to do with our vowels. This is why we reviewed our vowels, the short sounds specifically today. And then I want you to tell me which one you think is spelled correctly. Here's our rule. If your vowel sound in your word is short, and there is the K sound at the end of your word will always end in CK. Let me repeat that. CK is used only at the end of words right after the short vowel. What short vowel sound do we have in our word duck? We have the sound. So it doesn't say duke, it says duck with the short sound, which means it has to end in what? CK or CK. If we follow that rule, it has to end in CK. So which one is correct? D-U-C, D-U-K, or D-U-C-K? D-U-C-K. Very good. All right. What if I had the word, let's try one more together. What if I had the word sock? Okay. Well, if I'm just sounding it out and I wasn't sure about what spelling rule to use, I might do this. Sock, right? The C says K. I might spell it this way. Sock. Or I might think I could spell it this way. Sock with the digraph. Okay, well, which one of those is correct? If we use the rule that we learned today, we're going to think about our vowel first. And what sound does our vowel make in the word sock? Our vowel is O, and it says ah. Is ah, O's short or long sound? Ah. is short. So if my vowel is short and the end sound is k, it has to be CK. So this is the correct spelling of the word sock. Okay, so and also if I were to have the word, what about the word sack? What do you think? S-ack. What vowel do you hear in that word? You hear A. Is it the short or the long A? It is the short A. S-a. So, since my A, my vowel, is short, the ending sound k has to be CK to follow the rule. Sack. And that's the only way to spell sack. Okay? I want you to practice with this rule now, and I believe there's an assignment for you to practice using this rule. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day.